Welcome to MobilBid Learn. Silent auction tutorials. Complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up invoices for your auction. To begin setting up your invoice format, start at the dashboard for your event. This is where all settings for your event are edited. Click on Settings in the left side menu. And now click on Invoice Configuration from the options. Now it's simply a matter of filling in the blanks. Choose a logo for your invoices. This could be your corporate logo or the logo of your event. Continue filling out the rest of the fields with your contact information. You can add a custom message with anything you wish. Some events use this field for item pickup instructions. When done, click on Update Invoice Configuration to save your settings. Click on Preview Invoice to see what your invoice looks like. The preview opens in a new tab. When done reviewing it, you can safely close this tab. You can now go back to the dashboard. You have successfully set up your invoice. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment options for your auction.